Hello. I'm at my aunt's house. It's not that bad though. I don't know what I'm doing. I just like the wall. It's a nice wall. It's a nice wall. It's a nice wall. Okay. So I've gotten like 3 new charms for my necklace here. Oh, and my shirt says forget about it because that's my new favorite shirt. I got this key. This little blue thing. And the Buddha. I like the Buddha. I like the Buddha a lot. Got the Buddha yesterday. And I got this. It's a clock. And it ticks and it drives me insane. I don't know what to say. So, bye.